Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. First of all, if you haven't installed the MetaTrader 5 application, you may want to check out our video on how to do that first. Now, once you install the application, just go ahead and open it up. When you open it, this is the interface that you will see. Now, in order to create a new demo account, simply click on the File menu at the top left corner and then click on Open an Account option. Now from here, just select MetaTrader Software Corporation and then click on the Next button. You will now see an option to open a demo account to trade your virtual money without risk. Just select this option and click on the Next button. And now you will be allowed to set up your account. Just go ahead and type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address and your phone number along with your country code. You can then select your desired server and your account type. Just select your currency from the account type menu, and then you can also set up how much you want to deposit in your demo account. You can just enter your desired number and then agree with the terms and conditions. Now just click on the Next button, and now you will receive a notification which tells you that your account has just opened up. You will also be given your login username and your password. So make sure you save your login username and your password somewhere safe so that you can use it later to log in. You can also click on Copy the registration information to clipboard, and from there you can paste your information for safekeeping. Now finally click on the Finish button.
Incoming mail.
And now your demo account has successfully been created. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.